today's video, I'm going to be discussing an important part of calculus, which is called integration. Integration is nothing but the area under a curve. We saw that differentiation is the gradient of a curve and integration is the area. It's the area under a curve. So now there are many rules involved in integration. So first, the sign of integration, it looks like this. This is the sign. So now let's move on to the first rule. The first rule is that integral of a constant k multiplied by f of x dx is equal to k into integral of f of x dx. So this is the first rule. So and k is a constant and f of x is a function. So now if we move on to the second rule, integral of f of x plus g of x into dx. So this can be written, you can split these two. You can write it as integration of f of x dx plus integration of g of x dx. So this is the second rule. Now if we move to the third rule, the third rule states that integration of x to the power of n into dx, x to the power of n into dx, this is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. This c is a constant and you have to add this to all the functions which you integrate. So now, if we move on to the fourth law, the fourth law says that integral of a constant k into dx is equal to kx plus c. So these are the four laws of integration. There are many more laws which I'll be discussing in upcoming classes. So now if we move on to some examples of each law. So for the first law, it says that integration of k into f of x is k into integration of f of x. So say we had integration of 5x square. This is equal to 5 into integration of x square dx. So this is the first law. This is the example of the first law. Now the second law stated that integration of f of x plus g of x equals integration of f of x plus integration of g of x. So say we had integration 5x square plus 3x. This is equal to integration of 5x square plus integration of 3x. So this is an example of the second rule. And an example of the third rule would be, say we had x square and we have to find the integration of this. We know that the integration of this is x equals 2 to the power of 1. 1 second. Yeah, x square equals x to the power of 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Because it's x to the power of n plus 1 and n is 2, so 2 plus 1. So this is equal to x cubed divided by 3. And now for the fourth law. The fourth law says that integration of a constant is integration of the constant multiplied by x. So that's a very simple rule. So say integration of 5 dx, that's just 5x plus c. So these are the laws of integration. So now if I do some questions based on this. So if a question says that the gradient of a curve, so we know that when it says gradient, it means dy by dx, which is the differentiation So this is the curve. So we just write dy by dx equals x square minus 4 divided by x square. Because the question says that the gradient is equal to x square minus 4 by x square. Now it says this curve passes through the points 2, 7. So the curve passes through these points. And we have to find the we have to find the curve. So we have to make it as y is equal to something. So how are we supposed to make dy by dx into y? So we integrate it. So integration of dy by dx equals integration x square minus 4 divided by x square. So integration of dy by dx is just y. So what we can do to this term is you can split it. You can make it x square divided by x square minus 4 divided by x square. These two get cancelled and become 1, and this becomes minus 4 by x square. So now you're left with y equals integration of 1 minus 4 by x square. So now if we have to integrate this, we have y equals integration of 1 minus 4 by x square, right? And the point is 2, 7. So we know that integration of a constant is that constant multiplied by x. So it will be 1x, which is just x. And for this, what you can do is you can take x to the power of 2 to the numerator and make it x to the power of minus 2. And then you add 1 and subtract 1 based on the rule. And then you add 2 and you subtract 2 and add 1 in the denominator. So this is the integration. So now, sorry, the integration side is not supposed to be here. 1 second. Yeah. And now we have to add a constant plus c at the end. So it is equal to y is equal to x minus 4x to the power of minus 1 divided by minus 1. This minus 1 and this become plus. So you get x 1 x. So x plus 4 by x plus c. So this is the value. Now if it passes through the point 2, 7. So we got y equals x plus 4 by x plus c, right? Now if it passes through the points 2, 7, we substitute y as 7 and x as 2 to find the value of the constant c. So you get 2 plus 4 by 2 plus c. And they're asking us to find the equation of the curve. So now we know that this is 7 is equal to 2 plus 2 plus c. So c is equal to 3. Now we know that the equation of the curve is y equals x plus 4 by x plus c. So we just substitute c as 3 and we get the equation of the curve. Okay, that's it for today's video, guys. In today's video, I discussed 4 very important laws of integration and a past paper question. This topic has many laws and I'll be teaching them in future classes. Thank you.